Tonight, I am given the chance to recognize the old officers who has been a part of the SG family. These people had contributed so much in the success of last year's students' government administration. They had exerted so much effort in serving the studentry and still fulfill their duties as a full-time student. I am proud to introduce to all of you the incumbent officers of the UBSG. To start off, we have Fatima May Salazar, Counselor, College of Tourism and Hospitality Management. Erickson Manalo, Counselor, College of Technical Education. May we call on Mrs. Teresita Pante, a UBSG consultant, to give the certificates. Mark Andujas, Counselor, College of Technical Education. Marikit de Mesa, Counselor, College of Education. Ronnie May Cometa, Counselor, College of Nursing and Midwifery. Ronald Bagsit, Counselor, College of Technical Education. Raymark Maranan, Counselor, College of Engineering. Vanessa Lotto, Counselor, College of Business and Accountancy. Aymar Katungo, Counselor, College of Allied and Medical Sciences. Monique Villalobos, Counselor, College of Allied and Medical Sciences. Limuel Hernandez, Counselor, College of Allied and Medical Sciences. Maribel Magboo, Counselor, College of Education. June Solomon, Assistant Head Counselor, College of Engineering. Junjun Boy Bagos, Counselor, College of Arts and Sciences. Gladys Atienza, Auditor, College of Business and Accountancy. Christine Guerra, Member of the Parliament, College of Education. Johnny Bess Limbo, Member of the Parliament, College of Arts and Sciences. Sciences. Janina Ann Peralta, Majority Floor Leader, College of Arts and Sciences. Jessica Mial, Treasurer, College of Arts and Sciences. April Joy Papio, Governor, College of Education. Diane Joy Banaag, Governor, College of Allied and Medical Sciences. Christopher Edward Mercado, Governor, College of Technical Education. Kirsty Ana Abalos, Governor, College of Business and Accountancy.
Maureen T. Umahon, Speaker of the Parliament.